Beneath the familiar surface of our world lie places that feel unreal. Hidden ecosystems, forbidden caves, lakes that breathe death, and vaults of silence untouched for millennia. These are not tourist spots, but realms where nature and mystery collide. Each location whispers secrets of survival, danger, or forgotten history. Tonight, we journey into the shadows of Earth's most enigmatic corners. 10 places, 10 mysteries, each reminding us how little we truly know about the planet we call home. Welcome to the top 10 mysterious places never seen before. Let's begin with number 10, Lake Vostok, Antarctica. Lies Lake Vostok, hidden under more than 2 miles of solid ice. For millions of years, this vast body of water has remained sealed away, untouched by sunlight, wind, or human presence. Scientists drilling into the ice discovered signs of microbial life, organisms that may have evolved in complete isolation, adapting to toxic gases and crushing pressure. The lake is larger than some of Europe's biggest freshwater bodies, yet it exists in total darkness, a secret ocean beneath the world's coldest desert. To stand above it is to realize that beneath your feet lies an alien world, a place where life may exist in forms we have never imagined. Lake Vostok is not just a scientific curiosity. It is a reminder that Earth still hides realms as mysterious as distant planets, waiting silently beneath the ice. This is place number 9, Movile Cave, Romania. Hidden beneath the surface of southeastern Romania lies a cave that remained completely sealed off from the outside world for more than 5 million years. Movile Cave is one of the most isolated ecosystems ever discovered on Earth. There is no sunlight inside this cave. The air is toxic, filled with hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide, making it deadly for unprotected humans. Yet against all expectations, life exists here. The creatures inside Movile Cave do not rely on oxygen or sunlight. Instead, they survive through a rare chemical process that feeds on sulfur and methane. Many of these organisms exist nowhere else on the planet. Scientists believe Movile Cave offers a glimpse into how life might survive on other planets with hostile environments. Even today, only a small number of trained researchers are allowed to enter. Movile Cave remains a living mystery, a hidden world that evolved entirely on its own, untouched by time. This is place number 8, Lake Kaindy, Kazakhstan. High in the mountains of Kazakhstan lies a lake that looks like a scene frozen in time. Lake Kaindy was formed after a powerful earthquake triggered a massive landslide more than a century ago. As water filled the valley, an entire forest was submerged beneath the surface. Even today, tall tree trunks rise straight out of the lake, their bare branches standing silently above the water. The lake remains icy cold throughout the year, preserving the submerged trees almost perfectly. Beneath the surface, the forest appears ghostly and untouched, as if nature pressed pause on time itself. Scientists are still fascinated by how well the trees have survived underwater for so long. The combination of cold temperatures and mineral-rich water has slowed decay to an extraordinary degree. Lake Kaindy is calm, silent, and unsettling, a place where the past still exists, hidden just beneath the surface. This is place number 7, Paris Catacombs, Restricted Sections, France. Beneath the streets of Paris lies a vast underground world that most people will never see. While parts of the Paris Catacombs are open to the public, large sections remain strictly forbidden. These restricted tunnels stretch for hundreds of kilometers beneath the city, lined with the remains of more than 6 million people. The deeper you go, the more confusing and dangerous the passages become. Many of these areas are unstable, unlit, and poorly mapped. People who have entered illegally have become lost for days, some never finding their way back without rescue. The French authorities have sealed off these sections due to the risk of collapse, flooding, and disorientation. Special patrol units monitor the underground to prevent unauthorized access. The restricted areas of the Paris Catacombs remain one of Europe's most haunting underground mysteries, a silent maze hidden beneath one of the world's busiest cities. This is place number 6, Lake Nyos, Cameroon. In the highlands of Cameroon lies a quiet volcanic lake with a deadly secret. Lake Nyos appears calm and peaceful, But beneath its surface, enormous amounts of carbon dioxide are trapped deep underwater. In 1986, without warning, the lake released a massive cloud of invisible gas. The carbon dioxide spread silently through nearby valleys, displacing oxygen and suffocating everything in its path. More than 1,700 people and countless animals died in their sleep, without hearing or seeing anything unusual. Survivors later described an eerie silence that followed. Scientists discovered that Lake Nyos sits above a volcanic system that allows gas to build up over time. Under certain conditions, this pressure can suddenly release, turning the lake into a silent killer. Today, safety systems are in place to reduce the risk, but Lake Nyos remains one of the most mysterious and dangerous lakes on Earth. A reminder that nature's greatest threats are often invisible. This is place number 5, Lake Toba, Indonesia. What looks like a peaceful lake in Indonesia is actually the site of one of the most powerful volcanic eruptions in Earth's history. Lake Toba sits inside a massive volcanic crater formed around 74,000 years ago. That eruption was so enormous it reshaped the landscape and sent ash across much of the planet. Some scientists believe it triggered a volcanic winter, dramatically lowering global temperatures for years. There is evidence suggesting that early human populations may have nearly gone extinct during this period, making Lake Toba one of the most significant geological events in human history. Today, the lake is calm and beautiful, hiding the scale of destruction that once occurred beneath its surface. Beneath the water lies a supervolcano that remains active, though dormant. Lake Toba reminds us that some of Earth's greatest mysteries are hidden behind serene landscapes, where unimaginable power lies quietly beneath the surface. This is place number 4, the door to hell, Turkmenistan. In the middle of the Karakum Desert lies a crater that has been burning continuously for more than 5 decades. Known as the door to hell, this massive pit of fire was created in the early 1970s during a Soviet drilling operation. When the ground collapsed beneath the drilling rig, a huge pocket of natural gas was exposed. To prevent the release of poisonous gases, engineers set the crater on fire, believing it would burn out within days. Instead, the flames never stopped. The crater stretches over 70 meters wide, with walls glowing from intense heat and fire, visible even at night from miles away. Scientists still debate how much gas remains beneath the crater and how long it will continue to burn. Despite recent efforts to reduce the fire, the door to hell remains active. It stands as one of the most surreal and mysterious places on Earth, a man-made accident that turned into a never-ending inferno. This is place number 3, the Cave of the Crystals, Mexico. Deep beneath the Naka mine in northern Mexico lies a chamber that feels more like another planet than Earth. The Cave of the Crystals is home to some of the largest natural crystals ever discovered. These enormous crystals, made of pure gypsum, grew over hundreds of thousands of years in extreme heat and humidity. Temperatures inside the cave can rise above 50 degrees Celsius with nearly 100% humidity. Without special cooling suits, humans can survive inside the cave for only a few minutes. The environment is so hostile that exploration is limited, and much of the cave remains unseen. Scientists believe the crystals formed when mineral-rich water slowly cooled under perfectly stable conditions for thousands of years. When mining operations drained the water, the crystals were revealed for the first time. The Cave of the Crystals remains one of Earth's most extreme natural mysteries, a place of breathtaking beauty that humans were never meant to enter. This is place number 2, Poveglia Island, Italy. Just off the coast of Venice lies an island that few dare to approach. Poveglia Island has been abandoned for decades, officially closed to the public due to its disturbing past. For centuries, the island was used as a quarantine zone during plague outbreaks. Thousands were sent here to die in isolation, their bodies buried or burned on the island itself. Later, a psychiatric hospital was built, where reports of cruel experiments and unexplained deaths emerged. Over time, the island earned a reputation for strange sounds, sudden shadows, and unexplained sensations. Fishermen avoid the area, and locals refuse to step foot on the island. Despite its location near one of Italy's busiest tourist cities, Poveglia remains untouched. Access is restricted, and entry without permission is illegal. Poveglia Island stands as one of Europe's darkest mysteries, a place where history, fear, and silence still linger. This is place number 1, Dyatlov Pass, Russia. In the winter of 1959, a group of experienced hikers ventured into the Ural Mountains of Russia and never returned alive. What happened at Dyatlov Pass remains one of the most disturbing unsolved mysteries in modern history. The hiker's tent was later found ripped open from the inside, abandoned in freezing temperatures far below survival limits. Their bodies were discovered scattered across the snow, some barefoot, others with unexplained injuries. Several victims showed signs of extreme internal trauma without external wounds, while traces of radiation were detected on some of their clothing. No clear explanation has ever fully accounted for all the evidence. Over the decades, theories have ranged from avalanches and secret military tests to infrasound and unknown natural phenomena. Yet every official explanation leaves critical questions unanswered. Dyatlov Pass remains a chilling reminder that even in the modern age, some places on Earth still hold secrets that refuse to be explained.